right, I just got the Dexterity FDA authorized COVID-19 test collection kit. I just got this and I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna actually take this right now. All right, so on the cover of this box, it says biological substance category B. Not exactly sure what that means, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Right here it says, out of the lab, into the home. Meant to be taken at home. I'm at home and I'm gonna take it. So open it up and there comes a lot of literature, as I can see right here. There's literature, frozen, a lot of stuff that I have to read. I'm gonna read over this. And here is the instructions right here. And here is the specimen. That's what I'm supposed to put in here to do the test. So outside of that, there's nothing else in the box other than some filler. I'm gonna go ahead and read over this a little bit so I know what I'm doing. It says right here with this container right here, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and so we can see the contents of the package. And inside of the package is the dispenser right here. I'm gonna leave this right here, as well as a solution that is supposed to be mixed with this. I'm gonna be adding all of this and more instructions to read on this. Just open this up. It shows the instructions right here of what to do. It also comes on this right here, which I read. So this is pretty much the same thing. And so let's go ahead and get started with this. All right, so what we're gonna do is, if you look on the side of the tube, the test tube, there is a 14 digits that you're supposed to enter in when you register this device. You're supposed to register it by entering in these 14 digits, all right? And it must be entered in correctly if you want the results back to you properly. And so what it says next, we're gonna go through the instructions. It says collect your saliva sample, fill the tube with saliva. Right here is the tube right here. I'm gonna fill the tube with saliva. To the back black wavy line, fill the tube until your saliva, not including bubbles, that's important, is just above the wavy line. Do not overfill. And so the line that they're talking about is this right here. It says spit to here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. All right, it's not gonna be nice, but I guess this is what you have to do to get this going, the test results going. All right, so I did it, and it was kind of hard trying to get it above the line, not including the bubbles. It's important not to use bubbles. So I did that, and now I'm gonna take this cap and I'm gonna screw this on. But before I screw it on, I have to unscrew this funnel right here, discard of that, and then take this cap. And what it says right here, replace the funnel with the fluid cap. Remove the funnel from the tube, discard the funnel, and screw on the enclosed cap tightly to release the viral RNA inactivating and stabilization solution into your saliva. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Firmly screw on the cap down to release the solution and the tube. You'll know that it works when the blue solution from the cap is released into the tube. Firmly tighten the cap to assure the cap and tube is completely sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna take this top right here and I am going to twist it, and it's gonna twist tightly like this. And when I did it, the RNA went down in here, it went down into that. You'll see that the fluid from the top actually went down in here. So you're gonna make sure that it's tight, all right? So I did that, and then the instructions after that say, shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. This will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly with the stabilizing solution. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake this. It says for 5 seconds to ensure. All right, so I did that. Did it for 5 seconds. And then next it says I'm going to insert the collection tube into the biohazard specimen bag with absorbent material. Do not remove absorbent material. Insert collection tube into the biohazard specimen. Seal the biohazard specimens bag wash and dry your hands thoroughly before going to the next step. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And so I have this right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this into the specimen bag. All right, so just drop it in there. And then it says seal the biohazard specimen bag. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna seal it. There is something right here, adhesive that I peel back. I'll peel adhesive right here. Okay, peel this to expose adhesive. All right, so I peeled this off to expose the adhesive. Kind of did it wrong. And then I am going to just take this and close it like this. And now it says, go ahead and wash my hands to go to the next step. So I'm gonna go wash my hands. All right, so I washed my hands and now it's time to go to the next step. It says, place the specimen bag collected in the sample in the designated area inside the shipping box. Remove the adhesive cover strip from the lid of the box and close the seal, the prepaid shipping box. Close and seal the prepaid shipping box. Deliver to a box to a FedEx deliver the shipping box to a FedEx drop box. It's important to bring the sample to a drop box the same day that you collected before the last express pickup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take this right here and I'm gonna place it into the designated spot inside of the box, place it in there. And then I'm going to, if you see right here, there is an adhesive. So I'm gonna take this, peel this off, and then close it right here. And then put that right there, close it. And on the back side, it's a prepaid shipping label. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this to a FedEx shipping box that it says I should do on here and drop it in there before the last express pickup. All right, because I registered, I wrote down the number from off the tube and registered it, I should be able to get the information back to me of the results. So that is the Dxterity COVID-19 test that I just took. All right, hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.